Pluto, the dwarf planet. This planet has many hidden truths you must know. Let's reveal the facts about Pluto and smash that subscribe button. 10th astronomers noticed oddities in Neptune and Uranus's orbits, hinting at a hidden planet X. Percival Lowell founded Lowell Observatory to find it, but passed away before success. In 1929, Clyde Tombaugh was hired to search the sky. Using a blink comparator, he scanned plates for anything moving. On February 18, 1930, Tombaugh spotted a faint, shifting dot. He had found Pluto, Planet X. The discovery was announced on March 13, 1930. Ironically, the wobbles were later found to be measurement errors. Pluto's journey from a faint dot to a headline-grabbing planet had begun, and the debate over its true nature was only just starting. 9th. After its discovery, Pluto's size was a mystery. Early estimates were way off. Only after Charon's discovery in 1978 could astronomers measure Pluto's true mass. Pluto is much smaller than Earth's moon, just 2/3 its size. Its gravity is only 1/15 of Earth's. Pluto is even smaller than the 7 largest moons in the solar system. Instead of a giant, Pluto is a king among icy bodies, yet a dwarf among planets. 8th. For most of the 20th century, Pluto was celebrated as the 9th planet in our solar system. Generations of students learned about the solar system with Pluto proudly at the end of the planetary lineup. But as our telescopes improved and our understanding of the outer solar system deepened, astronomers began to notice something unusual. In the 1990s, astronomers discovered a vast region beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies, what we now call the Kuiper Belt. Suddenly, Pluto wasn't alone. Dozens, then hundreds, of similar objects were found, some nearly as large as Pluto itself. This raised a fundamental question. What exactly makes a planet a planet? The discovery of Eris in 2005, an object similar in size and possibly even more massive than Pluto, forced astronomers to confront this question head-on. If Pluto was a planet, shouldn't Eris be one too? Or should both be reclassified? In 2006, the International Astronomical Union met to settle the debate. They defined a planet as a body that orbits the Sun, is spherical due to its own gravity, and has cleared its orbit of other debris. Pluto met the first 2 criteria, but not the third. As a result, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet, joining Eris and others in a new category. The decision sparked a passionate debate among scientists, educators, and the public. Some astronomers argue that Pluto should still be considered a planet, while others support the new definition. The controversy even inspired petitions, books, and heated discussions in classrooms around the world. Today, Pluto leads a new family of dwarf planets, and its story continues to evolve. The 2015 New Horizons mission revealed a world more complex and fascinating than anyone imagined, reigniting interest in Pluto and the ongoing debate over what it means to be a planet. One thing's for sure, Pluto's place in our hearts and in the solar system remains secure, no matter what we call it. 7th is the most famous resident of the Kuiper Belt, a vast, icy region beyond Neptune. The Kuiper Belt is a frozen relic of the early solar system, home to thousands of icy bodies called Kuiper Belt objects, or KBOs. Pluto is the largest confirmed KBO, making it the king of this distant realm. Many KBOs, called Plutinos, share a special orbital resonance with Neptune, just like Pluto. Studying Pluto gives us a window into this mysterious region and its countless icy worlds. Far from being a failed planet, Pluto is the archetype of the Kuiper Belt. Its secrets help us understand the architecture of our solar system. 6th, Pluto has 5 fascinating moons. The largest, Charon, is so big that Pluto and Charon are often called a binary system. They orbit a common center of mass and are tidally locked, always showing the same face. The 4 smaller moons, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra, tumble chaotically in their orbits. Pluto's moon system is a testament to its violent past and cosmic intrigue. 5th, a day on Pluto lasts about 6.4 Earth days. Sunrise and sunset stretch for days. This slow rotation is due to Pluto and Charon's tidal lock, each always showing the same face to the other. Pluto's axis is tilted by 120 degrees, giving it extreme seasons. One pole basks in sunlight for decades, while the other freezes in darkness. These long days and nights drive dramatic changes in Pluto's thin atmosphere and icy surface. When sunlight hits, surface ices sublimate, thickening the atmosphere. In darkness, gases freeze back onto the ground. Pluto's day isn't just a measure of time, it shapes its climate and geology. Living there would mean week-long days and nights, and seasons that last for decades. The slow, stately rhythm of Pluto's rotation is unlike anything on Earth. It's a world where time and light move at a glacial pace. Fourth, when New Horizons flew by Pluto in 2015, it revealed a giant, heart-shaped feature, Tombaugh Regio. This isn't just a pretty shape, it's a vast glacier of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide ices. The western lobe, Sputnik Planitia, is a smooth, crater-free plain, evidence of recent geological activity. Scientists believe heat from Pluto's interior causes the nitrogen ice to slowly churn, erasing craters and keeping the surface young. This process, called solid-state convection, is like a slow-motion lava lamp, reshaping Pluto's face over millions of years. Sputnik Planitia is the engine of Pluto's climate, supplying nitrogen to its atmosphere as ices sublimate in sunlight. The discovery shattered expectations. Pluto is geologically active, not a frozen relic. Even in the coldest reaches of the solar system, worlds can surprise us. Pluto's heart is a symbol of its dynamic nature. It's a reminder that the solar system is full of unexpected wonders. Third, Pluto's atmosphere is thin, over 100,000 times less dense than Earth's, but surprisingly complex. Made mostly of nitrogen, with methane and carbon monoxide, it's in constant balance with surface ices. As Pluto moves closer to the Sun, ices sublimate and thicken the atmosphere. Farther away, gases freeze, and the atmosphere nearly vanishes. New Horizons revealed beautiful layered hazes, created by sunlight breaking down methane into complex organic molecules called tholins. These tholins settle on Pluto's surface, painting it reddish-brown. Pluto's atmosphere waxes and wanes with its 248-year orbit, breathing in and out with the seasons. It's a dynamic system, not a static shell. Even at the edge of the solar system, Pluto's air is alive with change. Its atmosphere is another clue to its restless, evolving nature. Second, for decades, Pluto was a blurry dot until New Horizons changed everything in 2015. The spacecraft's high-speed flyby revealed a world of stunning diversity, icy mountains as tall as the Rockies, flowing nitrogen glaciers, and knife-like methane ridges. Evidence of cryovolcanoes suggested Pluto's surface is still evolving. Charon, too, surprised scientists with a vast canyon system and a mysterious red polar cap. New Horizons showed Pluto isn't a dead, frozen rock. It's a geologically active world with a complex system of moons. The mission rewrote textbooks and inspired a new generation of planetary scientists. Pluto's true face was finally revealed. Dynamic, beautiful, and full of surprises. The images and data from New Horizons are a cosmic postcard from the edge of our solar system. They remind us how much there is left to discover. Pluto's mysteries are just beginning to unfold. First, Pluto's orbit is anything but ordinary. It's highly elliptical and tilted, taking 248 years to circle the Sun. At its closest, Pluto is inside Neptune's orbit. For about 20 years each cycle, it's closer to the Sun than Neptune. But thanks to a special orbital resonance, the two never collide. Pluto's path is always safely out of reach. Its orbit's tilt, 17 degrees, sets it apart from the major planets, marking it as a true Kuiper Belt object. These orbital quirks drive Pluto's extreme seasons and atmospheric changes. Pluto's journey is a wild, eccentric ride through the solar system's outer frontier. Its path is a cosmic dance, choreographed by gravity. Pluto's orbit is a key to understanding its unique place among the icy worlds. It's a reminder that the solar system is full of rule breakers. Let's quickly Recap, there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts about Pluto, the king of the Kuiper Belt. From its accidental discovery to the New Horizons revelations, Pluto's story is one of mystery, debate, and discovery. Far from a frozen relic, Pluto is a dynamic world with a beating heart, chaotic moons, and an atmosphere that breathes. Its scientific value and power to inspire are undeniable. What surprised you most about Pluto? Let us know in the comments.